In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel reservation on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to confirm the cancellation so there are no surprises. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Booking.com website. Sign in to your account using your usual login details. Once you're in, look along the top or within the main menu for the section labeled Bookings or My Trips. This is the hub where all your upcoming and past reservations are stored, and it's the place Booking.com uses to process cancellations. Find the reservation you want to cancel and open it. You'll see the details for that specific stay, including dates, the property name, and, importantly, the cancellation policy. Before you proceed, take a moment to read that policy carefully. Some bookings include free cancellation up to a certain date, while others may charge a fee or even the full amount depending on the property's rules and the timing of your cancellation. If your reservation is marked as non-refundable, you may not be able to cancel or receive any money back. When you're ready, click the Cancel Booking button. Booking.com will guide you through a short set of on-screen prompts. These steps usually include confirming that you truly want to cancel, and they may display any fees or refund information based on the policy tied to your reservation. Follow those prompts and confirm the cancellation. After you confirm, watch for a confirmation email from Booking.com. This message is your proof that the reservation is no longer active, and it often includes details about any applicable charges or expected refunds. If you don't see the email within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder and make sure your account email address is current. Keep this message for your records until any refunds have fully processed. If you prefer using your phone, the process in the Booking.com app is very similar. Open the app, sign in, go to the trips or booking section, choose the reservation, select cancel booking, and follow the prompts. The same cancellation policies apply, and you'll still receive a confirmation email once it's done. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always note the deadline for free cancellation if it's offered, and remember that refund timing can vary depending on your payment method and bank. If you have questions about fees or exceptions, the properties policy shown on your reservation page is the most reliable source. That's it. You've successfully canceled on Booking.com.